Hello, and welcome to day 2, Tuesday, October 6th. Remember, this is Module 3. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then, you'll click Async. Today in Async, you have a few activities to do. The ones with the puzzle piece next to them are vocabulary quizzes. So you click, and it will ask you to start a new attempt. All right, this is a preview. You just click and drag, and when you're done, you click and drag, and you click review, and when you're done, you click finish. Then you have a reading to do in the textbook. All right, you're going to read this article about Dr. Cruz on pages 14 and 15. Make sure to read 2 times. Then you will do another vocabulary activity. Start a new attempt, and you just select the correct answer. And another vocabulary activity. Start a new attempt. Same thing. Select the correct answer until you are finished. 5 questions. And then you're going to do the main idea activity on page 15 of the book. All right, remember to read the directions before you start the activity. And that's it for async. Let's go to sync. It is Tuesday, so that means we will have Zoom class together. So we're going to talk about topic sentences and paragraphs, and we are going to practice using gerunds and infinitives in speaking, in conversation, and we will do more activities with inferences. And that's it. Good luck.